Alright guys, I took it out. It's right here. And pretty much it was so easy. Um, this is originally was. Okay, so imagine this being in there. And so pretty much, yeah, so pretty much, just put it like this. Just imagine it's connected over there. Top bolt, bottom bolt, and pretty much it was really hard to get out. But it's been there for a long time. So, um, what I did is pretty much I grabbed it like a little pry bar, and I used be careful where you put these pry bars, because you don't want to damage something else. But the alternator, it was literally right here, and so this is like the bracket for the motor mount, and that was close to the alternator, and so that's a really hard spot. So I just put like the pry bar in there, and like easily it came out as I pushed it. So that's not a big deal, and it came out, and now it's I'll put the new one. Oh, I had like a little difficulty um in the back, the cables. um so pretty much, if it were to be in there, this is how it would be. Okay, this is how it would be over there. So pretty much I was struggling to take out although it was pretty easy. It was this part, this cable. But it was so easy. It's better if you pretty much loosen the alternator and take it out and just like flip it on the side. And yeah, you just can take that one out. This one I did it way before. I mean, it wasn't that hard. I just put like I was working behind it. Like I said, work behind it and pretty much take it out. If not, you can just loosen the two bolts, take it out, and then work from the back. It's not a big deal. And yeah, and always, now I'm gonna put the new one. Always compare the new one and the old one, just so they don't give you the wrong part. And pretty much this car has always had original parts. So everything is mostly from the factory. So I can always compare the serial number, check if it matches. Sometimes the aftermarket ones won't have all this information, but as long as you put it side by side and compare the bolts and everything, that should help. And back to what I was saying about the tensioner, guys. Yeah, it's pretty much to put it back on. It's gonna be pretty much the same way. Like I said, if to me, I didn't even have to take out the motor mount. Like I said, if you're not planning to change the serpentine belt, which the serpentine belt's still pretty good, if you're not planning on changing it, don't take it out. You'll save yourself a lot of work. But other than that, man, that's pretty much how an alternator goes.